Lord Krishna, eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu, who lived among the cowherds of Vrindavan, is still celebrated in poetry, painting, song and sculpture throughout the length and breadth of India. Here, Lord Krishna is seen reclining restfully in the Cradle of Civilization exhibition, whilst outside in the brilliant sunshine, dancers are entertaining the happy crowds with the performance of Ras, a traditional Gujarati folk song praising Lord Krishna. Let's enjoy this vibrant exhibition of love and devotion, so typical of our entire cultural festival. Here we can see the festival at night time, a beautiful and tranquil sight.
Occasions of this kind are very properly occasions for India and for Britain. And it is right that the High Commissioner and the British ministers should have been officiating on this occasion. But as a West Indian whose roots are in India, and as a representative of the Commonwealth that brings together India and Britain so splendidly, and for the most part so harmoniously, it is perhaps right that I should join in this occasion of celebration. The culture of India is like a casket of riches. A few years ago at the Festival of India, we had an opportunity to glimpse that casket. And now at this very special cultural festival, we have a deeper opportunity to look very closely at some of those jewels. And I have had a chance in the last few moments to glimpse those jewels and know what is in store for so many of you. I bring you, therefore, first of all, a word of congratulation to the organizing committee for the splendor of this occasion. I understand that it is only the forerunner of a bicentenary festival that is to come. So great riches lie ahead for everyone. I would like to congratulate also the many volunteers who contributed to this occasion, many of you in the audience, many of your children, because it was that voluntary effort that made this possible.
Mama gaga mama dada mama gaga sasa saga gaga mama madam magasa dada madada 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 magasa dada 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 magasa dada mama nini dada ta 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 sa sa ni ni ga sa da da ni ni ga sa 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 ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa 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 ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa sa ni sa 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 ni ni ga sa da da ni ni sa 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 ni ni da ma ma ga ga sa 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 da ni ni da da ma ma ga ga sa ga ma da ni sa ma da ni sa da ni sa 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 da ni 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 ni da ni ni da ni ni da ni ni da ni ma da da ma da da ma da da ma da da ma da ma da ga ma ga ma ga ma ga ma ga ma ga da ma ga ma da ta 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 ma ga ta 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 ma ga ta ta ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा ने होरी ध्रुव प्रहलाद सुदामा
The reason I congratulate you on this magnificent festival is because of the important part it will play in teaching the native British more about you and reminding your sons and daughters that although they may now live in Europe, they remain part of the great Indian tradition, the great Indian culture, and one of the great Indian religions. You have made a contribution to enriching all our lives by your festival. I congratulate you upon it, and I thank you for allowing me to play a small part in it. Thank you very much indeed.
प्रभु जी साथे प्रीतन की धी है ने मुआ टाण संत बनाओ रे ने मुआ टाण संत बनाओ रे तुलसी मंगाओ अने तिलक कढ़ाओ तुलसी मंगाओ अने तिलक कढ़ाओ मुखे राम नाम लेवरावो रे प्रथम प्रभु जी साथे प्रीतन की धी है ने मुआ टाण संत बनाओ रे ने मुआ टाण संत बनाओ रे
I was in India 2 years ago, and I never cease telling people that one of the strange things about India is that if you are a foreigner visiting that country, you always want to go back. And I certainly want to go back. Now, if you are a foreigner to India like myself, you want to go back because of the wonders of the architecture in India, for the enormous variations in the landscape, and for the wealth of cultures in the subcontinent. And we are all very privileged to be here today, ladies and gentlemen, to be reminded of some of those wonders. And I hope that during the coming weeks, it will not be only those whose origins lie in the Indian subcontinent who will come here. I hope those who have been born here and whose ancestors were born here will also visit this exhibition, because I'm absolutely sure that they will enjoy all that they will see, and their appetites will be whetted, ladies and gentlemen. Their appetites will be whetted, and they will want to see more, as I want to see more.
स्वर की साधना
परमेश्वर की साधना परमेश्वर की सुर ना सजे क्या गाऊं मैं सुर के बिना जीवन सुना सुर के बिना जीवन सुना सुर ना सजे क्या गाऊं।
Those who visit and see the exhibition and listen to the talks and witness the cultural items will go back enriched in their lives in all levels of their being, mentally, intellectually, aesthetically, ethically and morally, and it goes without saying they will go back enriched spiritually also. So it would not be an exaggeration to say that this cultural festival is really a blessing and a boon conferred upon God and His godly saints upon all of us here. God bless you all.
तने मने तने मने मरक तारी जशोदा मा छोगला तारा और छबिला तारा और रंगीला तारा हे रंगलो जानो का रंग दिने था छोगला तारा और छबिला तारा और रंगीला तारा हे रुकिए वाट रंगलो हाँ 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 मारा पालो नो सेड़लो
The exhibition that I have seen and the premises which I have looked at really epitomize the enthusiasm, the fervor, and the dedication of the community that I am seeing before me. I have been told that this is entirely a labor of love, and many busy people have gladly given their time, their resources to making this show a great success. What we have attempted to place before our young men and women from India particularly, and the public of this great country, is a bit of the great heritage of India. I know that many of you are now proud citizens of this country, but I am also aware of the fact that wherever we may be, whatever may be the size or nature or color of our passport, in whatever circumstances we may work, that bit of India will always cling to us. Even people who have spent 3 or 4 generations outside India can never forget the impact of 5,000 years of culture, which is our common heritage, your heritage and mine, irrespective of the passport that we may hold. If we are able to present before the people of this country, particularly the young men and women of this, our community here, something of this great heritage of which we are proud, then certainly the organizers would have achieved the main objective of this function.
had a most important part to play in our festival. The snack bars at Alexandra Park were all staffed by the ladies. The food, all prepared and served by the ladies. Over 100,000 packets containing fried delicacies were ready by the end of June to serve as breakfasts during the festival. Delicious hot food was served throughout the day, offering all manner of different dishes from the regions of India. The ladies also prepared meals twice a day for the 1,000 guests who had come from abroad. His Divine Holiness Sri Pramukh Swami Maharaj is Aksha Brahman in person. God manifests himself through him. Without his inspiration, this festival could not have happened. Thousands have touched God through him, and hundreds of thousands are in the process of doing so. He is a man of serenity, of sweetness, and of sanctity. He is the center of love, peace, and harmony. Swamiji is a man of deep understanding, tender sympathy, humility and humanity. Through Swamiji, many thousands of people have come to experience India and the Swaminarayan religion for the first time. Through him, our very first cultural festival of India has been an unqualified success and an unforgettable experience.